Hi, good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm fine, good.
Okay. Can you please tell me about your job?
My job, I am housemaid for yes, British family. And I'm doing all in the house, ironing, washing, babysitting. That's all.
Okay. And how many members in the family in total?
The total, there is two children in the couples, almost four of them.
Four. Okay. And how old are the children?
The eldest is 7 and the youngest is 4.
And by the way, why you decided not to renew any contract anymore with them?
Yeah, because they will going back to their country.
Mm-hmm.
So I need to get another employer.
Okay. So they're gonna leave Dubai for good.
Yeah, for good.
Okay. So since you're looking for a new employer because of that reason, how much would be the minimum salary you would ask this time?
So if we with the same here, I have here 2,000.
All right. And what is your favorite task? Is it cooking, cleaning, or babysitting? What you like to do most?
I'm always doing the ironing, cleaning, everything in the house, but I'm not cooking.
But what type of food can you cook?
I can cook only my foods,
All
but
right.
here in my employer I did not cook. They are the one who cook on their foods. But if my employer tells me to cook, I will also. I want to learn.
Okay, great. And in terms of babysitting, how do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food? Because sometimes kids, babies don't want to finish their food. So what would be your tricks or ways in order for them to finish it?
I'm doing some funny things for them, talking while eating until they finish the eating foods, like that.
Okay, good. And how do you know if the baby is sick? How can you tell if he or she is sick?
You can see their eyes is not good, hair color of the face, and then every time there's doing, moving, but most especially, these are their eyes is not sparkling to look, not good to look like that. You saw that she is not good, she's not feeling well like that.
All right, wonderful. And what are your hobbies?
My hobby is eating, cooking my food here in my room.
Mhm.
Sometimes it's window shopping like that.
Oh, okay, all right. And how long do you want to work here in UAE?
It depends on how long because as long as we need money because I have children, maybe I can stay longer.
Okay, good. And the last question is, do you think you will be a good helper to your new employer and why?
I will try my very best to be a good employee and then because most number one we need money to get back on our children in the Philippines, and then number two you must love them as your family also.
All right, very well said. I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.